Hey, 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 it's Hesha. Hey, today I am going to be sharing with you everything you need to know when you want to apply for a loan when you are buying a HDB resale flat. Okay guys, first cut, there are only two types of loans in Singapore. Firstly is the HDB loan, and secondly there is a bank loan. And if you want to ask me, hey Shai, is there a third type of loan? Yes, there is, and that is the You'll Never Walk Alone. Okay guys, jokes aside, let's move on. Okay, before we move on, please spend some time to like, comment and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell as well. If you stay tuned to the end of the video, I'll show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to apply for a loan. Okay, let's move on. The biggest and the most biggest difference between the HDB loan and a bank loan is the interest rate. Right now, the HDB interest rate is 2.6%, whereas for the bank, the interest rate is ranging from 3.7 to 4.5%. There is a difference of 1.9%. Okay guys, so just to show you the impact, what this difference mean to you, let me just show you something. Before that, please spend some time to download this app. It's called the Loan Calculator app. This one, it is very helpful this one. Okay, so let's take for example a $500,000 loan, okay, at the interest rate of 2.6%. This is for HDB loan over a period of 25 years. Your monthly payment is 2,268 and your total interest is 180,000. Okay guys, let's compare this with a bank loan with the interest rate of 4.5%. Same term 25 years, you are paying $2,779 per month, and your total interest now, $333,000 in total interest, which is almost double. So here you can see, even though 1.9% difference may not be a lot, but over 25 years, you're actually paying so much. There's actually a huge difference there, almost double, okay guys, in total interest. Okay, let me give you some comparisons between the HDB loan and a bank loan. Firstly, okay, the HDB loan you can only apply twice in your life, okay guys. Once you move on with these two types of these two HDB loans, the third time you already must use a bank loan. There is no way around it, okay. And for you to apply for a HDB loan, there are certain eligibility conditions that you have to meet, okay, which is mostly tied to your income. I'll put it up here for you to see whether you're eligible for a HDB loan. Okay, so once you apply for this HDB loan, there's something that you have to do which is called the HLE, okay, which is a home loan eligibility. I'll leave it to the end of the video lah. Another comparison between the HDB loan and a bank loan is what we call the loan to value limits, which in short is LTV lah. So for a HDB loan, they are only allowed to loan you 80% of the value of the house. So for example, if your house is valued at $1 million, you can only loan up to 80%, which is 800,000. The other 20% you have to fund yourself using cash or CPF. Whereas for the bank loan, the LTV limit is 75%, which means in a $1 million house, the bank is only allowed to loan you 75%, which is 750,000. The remaining 250,000, some of it is cash, some of it is CPF lah. Actually, to be exact, 5% of which must be in cash. Okay guys, this one is, to some it is a good thing lah, because when you use a 75% loan, you're taking lesser loan, which is a good thing to some people. Okay, another thing to take note when you want to apply for a HDB loan is that once you are using a HDB loan and then you want to refinance to use a bank loan, you can do it, okay. But when you are already using a bank loan and then you want to change to a HDB loan, you cannot do it. However, recently there is one MP lah, he did suggest to allow for a one-time transfer from a bank loan to a HDB loan. However, there is nothing concrete yet lah. Inshallah it will be a possibility in the future, okay. Also, a lot of people may not know this, but when you are using a HDB loan and one day, inshallah, you get a big bonus, example $30,000, you want to offset your HDB loan. You want to pay this lump sum to offset the HDB loan. You can do it. But however, for a bank loan, if you want to do an early repayment, there are penalty fees lah. The penalty rates depend on the different banks. Okay, so guys, just based on this sharing, you have a generic idea which one will suit you better. Okay, I'm not saying that the HDB loan is better than the bank loan or vice versa lah, because it really depends on you and also really depends on the market conditions. For some people, HDB is better. For some, bank loans are better lah. But once you have decided whether you're going for a HDB loan or a bank loan, once you have decided this, For a HDB loan, you have to do this thing called the home loan eligibility, which is, in short, we call it the HLE. You have to submit your income documents, your CPF contributions, and then from there, they'll get back to you within a month. Then they'll tell you the loan. Same thing with the banks. You have to do this. I will refer to you some bankers, and then they will give you, they'll ask you for income documents, and then from there, 1 month later, around there, they will let you know your loan amount that you can borrow. So there you have it. Once you have the loan amount, you will be able to understand our budget even better, which is lead us to the next step, which is understanding our budget. Click here to proceed to the next step. Okay guys. Okay, sekian. Assalamualaikum, and I doa that you find this sharing very beneficial. Okay, that's all for today. Okay guys, I'm going to show you a very simple process of how to apply for HLE. So we just go to Google. Then after that we type home loan eligibility. Okay, then after that you click this one, the HLE letter. Okay, read up. Click here where to apply, and then after that you see where to apply. Apply for HLE letter and upload your documents at this one. Click this link, and then there you go. Option 1, submit an HLE application, and then after that you'll lead you to this one. From here, you'll need to then after that you just click accept. Okay. Proceed. There you go. So you just click purchase a resale flat. And after that you fill up all the particulars and fill up all the details. There are 7 steps to it so you just follow through. This is for when you want to apply for HLE letter. But if you want to apply for a bank loan, I will give you a list of bankers that I will recommend, and then from there the bankers will contact you, and then from there, once they contact you, they'll ask you for the same things for your income documents and all that, and then they will get back to you within 4 weeks, 6 weeks similar to HLE it's about 4 weeks around there. Okay, I hope this helps. Thank you so much, and bye bye.